Let me teach you how to grow purple corn at home. First, we need to start with seedling propagation. Fill the seedling cups with loose, breathable soil, so that the seeds will have better root growth once they germinate. These are purple corn seeds. You may wonder why they are red. It's because the seed company has coated them with a protective layer. This coating helps with sterilization, disinfection, and pest prevention. Once the seeds are planted, water them to keep the soil moist. Next, we go to the market and collect some baskets to use as planting containers. These baskets are very convenient, but they have a downside. The gaps are too large. So, we need to cut some woven bags and line the bottom and sides to prevent the soil from falling through. Now, take a few empty water bottles and modify them. Use scissors to cut the top ends of the bottles and smooth them out a bit so they fit together nicely. Then, use a soldering iron to make small holes around the bottom and sides of the bottle. This creates a simple composting tool. Place it in the center of the basket, then fill it with soil. You can put leftover fruit and vegetable peels in it, and after they decompose, they turn into fertilizer. It's great and won't produce a strong odor. After 15 days, the corn seeds will germinate and grow into small seedlings. These seedlings even have purple stems, so it looks like we have the right variety. When the seedlings look like this, it's time to transplant them. You can plant 2 seedlings in one basket. Take them from the seedling cups, and the root system still looks pretty good. After 62 days, the corn plants have already started growing ears of corn. Growing corn doesn't require much management. I applied compound fertilizer once before, and just watering it regularly is enough. After 86 days, the leaves of the corn plant begin to dry and wither. Let's open one up to take a look. Although the corn grown this way is not very large, the kernels are still quite plump. The younger corn is light red when cooked, and when mature, it turns purple. This corn is rich in anthocyanins, making it very nutritious.